Hi everybody, this is Maddie with Corey's Construction, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of our Accent Ranch model. This floor plan includes 2 beds, 2 baths, and 1 home office. This is part of our Modern Living series, so this is one that's getting a lot of traction recently. It's perfect if you're someone who would like a single level ranch style home, but you want something that looks a little bit more modernized, a little more unique. This is a great option for you. The first feature that I really want to highlight here in the living room is this electric fireplace package. So this is an upgrade that we offer. We go all the way from this up to a true chimney wood fireplace. So you have a lot of options and variety if that's something that you're interested in. But this is a fantastic way to elevate your living space with really minimal cost compared relatively to all the other things that you might need to touch on in a home. You will notice that this does bump out the wall a little bit, so that is something to be aware of and just keep in mind when you're going into your design process. I do want to highlight really quick, one of my favorite features of the Modern Living series is the unique blend of window sizes that you're going to get. So, of course, you have this right here in the very front of your home that's maximizing a huge amount of light right off of the bat, and then along the side of the home here, you're getting sort of these smaller, higher up windows. This is fantastic because it's maximizing the amount of light that you're letting into your home that you're not necessarily going to get to see in a lot of our other floor plans within the Homestead series. So if you're someone who really wants to maximize natural light, this series is a great place to start. Speaking of natural light, this client actually went with an upgrade, so they included 2 skylights above their kitchen. This is an awesome upgrade, and it's adding even more natural light to the area that matters most. So this is another really fun thing that you get to do within that Modern Living series. We are now in the kitchen. So this is a huge selling point for a lot of our Modern Living series homes. Most of our homes prioritize an open concept, but Modern series takes that to the next level. In all of the cabinets here, this is our standard Homestead maple. So that's what you're seeing. These are all built through Legacy Cabinets, which is a branch of Ritz-Craft. One really nice thing is that you can sort of mix and match colors in the kitchen. So while their main cabinetry along the sides is in snowbound, our island here is in the color stone. Another great feature in this kitchen is our standard laminate countertops. In this particular home, they went with laminate 6696. When you get laminate, you're also going to have a matching backsplash, so that is another thing that you'll notice here. And continuing with standard features here, this is our standard double bowl stainless steel sink. So that is a great representation of what your whole countertop and sink situation would look like. I am now standing at the dining room, and I do want to touch really quickly on the flooring that you're seeing. So this is our natural hickory flooring. This is LVP, or luxury vinyl plank flooring. This is the standard across all of our homes. This is a fantastic flooring for wear and tear and durability and water resistance. This is just about as good as you can get. We are now in the master bedroom. The standard flooring across bedrooms is carpet, so this client went with the color lace. You'll also notice throughout this whole home is they went with our included trim package. So we do offer 2 upgrade variations of trim, but in this particular case, this is our included package. Moving on to the master bath. This is another great example of what our included bath would look like in all of the base pricing for our models. So the included countertop here is our laminate. So this specific laminate selection is AG361SD. The vanity here is the same cabinetry as what you're seeing in the kitchen, and this is also in the color snowbound. The hardware that you're seeing here is 2022DD. And this is actually the same hardware that you're seeing in the kitchen, and it is also continued on in the main bath. This is the standard black faucet that comes within the Modern Living series, so that is what the client went with here. This is one of the most popular upgrades that we see with our home builders, is they will keep the included 60-inch fiberglass insert. So that's what you're seeing as the base here. And then rather than having a shower curtain, they will upgrade to these really lovely glass sliding doors. So this is something that we see across the board really frequently, and it's a great cost-effective option to sort of elevate your bathroom space. Another thing that you might see here is our rolled vinyl. So this is the included flooring for our bathrooms and our utility room. This is in the color 9570. I'm now in bedroom number 2. Just wanted to give you a quick look. This is continuing on with your standard trim, and this client chose to keep the carpet the same across all of the bedrooms and their home office. So this is lace that you're seeing again. We are now in the main bath. There is not a lot of difference in selection choice in this bathroom as compared to the master bath. The one change is the tub shower insert. So you'll notice here that this is the true standard insert that you can expect in your bathrooms with us. So this is a 60-inch fiberglass tub shower insert, and then you would have your shower curtain. So this is a great example of what a all standard bathroom will look like. Here is a quick look at their home office. This is a really great space if you're someone who works from home, you work hybrid, or maybe you just want a space that you can dedicate towards all of your home tasks and billings and everything else that comes along with life. This is a great space for that. And this is the 9-foot unfinished basement. This comes included in the base price across all of our floor plans. This is a huge selling point for a lot of our clients, whether you want to use it for storage or you want to come back to it and finish it down the road for additional square footage. It's a great space to have with your home. This client also went with a Bilco door. So we can do walkout basements, and we can also do your standard egress window. They decided to do a little bit of an upgrade and go with the Bilco here. That is it for this walkthrough. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to head to our website and check out all of our other floor plans, or explore our YouTube channel for even more walkthrough videos.